Not all heroes wear capes. We are living in times when a new breed of heroes are rising up to serve and help their friends and neighbors. Yes, doctors and nurses and frontline responders, but it's also the guy and the gal at the supermarket stocking the shelves, the truck driver driving throughout the night to get supplies to you and to hospitals all over the country. Well, I happen to know a few heroes of my own. I want to introduce you to a few of the team members here at MyGreenFills that are my heroes that are working tirelessly to serve you day and night.
I mean, obviously everybody's making sacrifices because life has changed.
I have a 5-year-old at home, and when I get home he says, "Oh, you came back." So I don't get to spend a lot of time with him.
My work life and my schedule life right now is pretty crazy.
I work all the time right now, yeah. Family time, TV time, all my other time is here now.
I work during the day from home, look at my kids over the top of my computer, and then I come into the shop as soon as I am able to.
My work life and schedule right now is really unpredictable.
My mind stays on work a lot of the times, and it's kind of hard to get off of that.
I've got 5 kids at home, so they are now being all homeschooled by me. On top of that, I'm working every day, just taking care of my team.
My work schedule is every day and all the time. It's a little difficult because I do have my son.
I'm gone before he gets up, and a lot of times he goes to bed before I do. So I think that's been the hardest part.
We talk about helping other people, and that this is what we can do right now to bless others, and so he's on board with that. So that's kind of hard, and sometimes I miss meals because I'm running all over the place in the shop.
My name's Howard.
I'm Lisa.
My name is Tori.
My name is Ed.
My name is Danny.
My name's Jamie.
My name's Josiah.
My name is Anise.
I am Amanda.
My name is Sarah Jean, and I do project management for the development team, and I also help out the customer service team.
I am the fulfillment manager.
I actually make the stain stick and fill in all the departments to do filling, labeling, whatever is needed to make sure our customers get their product.
What I do here is I pick and pack and ship out all the orders.
I'm the shipping manager for MyGreenFills.
I am the operations manager.
I am project manager for MyGreenFills as well as on the marketing team.
I'm in charge of all the liquid fill lines.
And I'm the director of member experience for MyGreenFills.
I am the production manager here.
We are a family here, and this is just bringing us closer.
It's bringing us all together to help support each other and showing how we can all work together as a team to overcome this.
I'm thankful to be out and about and working.
It's well worth it. I get to work with my family here.
This rush and this kind of crazy season that we're in is teaching us that we're far more capable than we thought we were.
This is my heart and my passion, and that's why I'm here every day, and because I know that it's benefiting other people.
That it's important to all of us that our family members have soap to stay healthy during this time.
Well, I think that probably one of the things that I'm possibly looking forward here is an increase in our capability to be able to continue going forward and helping people.
Well, we'll get our product to our customers much faster, and they can then utilize the soaps to clean the houses and keep their house sanitized, and our wonderful soaps to keep their hands nice and clean.
We have thousands upon thousands of orders that are going out daily, so we're all kind of burning the midnight oil and putting in the extra effort to make sure that our customers and members are served and that we're being great teammates. So we're staying as long as we need to get the job done.
Some positive outcomes is that a lot of people will be getting the soap they need in this crazy time. I know lots of people are trying to stay clean, and they need all the stuff that they can get to help them feel better and help them feel safer during this time of crisis.
No, we're going to help a lot of people. I mean, get them what they need, and hopefully as fast as we can, but we're doing our best. We're doing as much as we can.
I know that I'm happier to get to work now than I have ever been, because I know that we're all working so hard to make sure that we can help as many people as possible.
For everybody, for the community, and for the world that we serve, we're just getting really great products out to people that are going to help them stay safe and stay healthy.
Everything is sold out in the grocery store, so I think we're that company that's going to come through for the American people, and I think that's really going to shine through after this is all over.
So as you can see, friends, not all heroes wear capes. Thank you for being part of the MyGreenFills family. Know this, we will get through this together. In fact, we are getting through this crisis together. And remember that your friends and my heroes here at MyGreenFills.com will walk with you every single step of the way. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.